what His Excellency Governor has done today is right. He has taken the right decision. He has done his duty. Whereas the ruling Congress government insulting governor is not correct. Ruling party MLA, MLCs trying to attack His Excellency is totally unconstitutional. So I demand Honorable Chief Justice Siddaramaiah should seek apology regarding the attitude of the ruling MLA and MLCs, and he should also take strict action. Speaker also should also look into the matter. Should take action against those MLA and MLCs who are trying to stop and who are trying to attack governor. Secondly, why this situation has arisen in Karnataka today? When ruling Congress government is trying to misuse assembly, they are trying to antagonize people against the central government is not correct. What is the reason? When our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, NDA government, when they have brought in so many changes in Manrega, and Manrega has been renamed as VBG Ramji. The only vision of Honorable Prime Minister is to ensure the dream of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Ramaraj and Gramaraj, to make this dream come true. Many valuable changes have been made in, and the poor people across the country are welcoming this move. But unfortunately, the Siddaramaiah government is trying to politicize this issue and spreading a false narrative is totally unacceptable.